Hello everyone. I wanted to jump on here and do a quick little video talking to you about how to create a works cited entry for something that you found on the internet. So here's the chart on your screen before you showing the 8th edition of an MLA citation, what MLA is saying we need to put in. And so I'd like to talk about this just a little bit because it's rather generic, and that's the intent for the editorship of MLA. They're trying to streamline what's required in a citation so that that is uniform. So author and title of the source, that's not so hard. The title of the source is the short work, and title of container is the longer work. Other contributors include editors, translators, and so forth. If there are edition numbers or volume numbers, that goes under number 5. Sometimes in a journal publication there will be a volume and an issue number. That will go in number 6. Publisher, if that's available, publication date, and then location is where you got that. So that's the little chart, but I'm going to switch screens here and show you how that might be applied with a web resource that you came upon. By the way, when you're preparing the works cited, all of this information will start at the left margin and go all the way over to the right margin. Even though this is in a column, your works cited entry will not be a column. Okay, well, I'm going to pause the recording and switch screens. Okay, well, I had that little chart a moment ago, and so let's say I'm doing some research on Anton Chekhov, and I've come upon this article that I'm interested in on the website Literary Hub. As I scroll down through here, I can see that, I do get some information. This article is by Boris Fishman. It was published July 23rd, 2018, and the title of the article is Everything You Think You Know About Chekhov is Wrong. I can scroll on down real quickly to see if there is a publisher attributed here, and as a matter of fact there is. It's here, this Grove Atlantic and Electric Literature. So that's all great. Just to save time, I've copied that information over here in my Word document, and perhaps I need to make that just a little bit bigger so that it shows up well on your screen. So this is the information that I need, but excuse me, right now I have this in column format, and I really need to have it in a straight line from left to right margin. So notice what I'm going to do. I'll start with my author, Fishman. I transpose his first and last name and put a period after that. I'm not going to spend my time retyping this title, so I'm going to come up, copy and paste that in. But since it's the title of a short work, the article, I'll put that in quotation marks. And again, MLA called for a period after the title of the article. So I've got that much. Next is the name of the website. Recall that that was Literary Hub. Well, I need that in italics, so I'm going to Control I and just put Literary Hub and take it off italics. Now I need a comma. So far so good. I need the date of publication. I'm going to come to the second line of my citation and hit tab. That date was 23 July. Whoops, need to spell July correctly. 2018, then a comma. There is no version or issue number, so I don't have to worry with that. There is a publisher, so I'm going to come up here, copy that, and then paste that into my citation. Follow it by a comma. And then the very last thing is that I need this locator or location, which for web resources, it's this URL. Of course that won't fit on a single line, but I'm going to paste that in there, indent, and then just for convenience I'm going to get rid of all of that so that you can see there's how my works cited entry should look. Also, just to remind you that page heading, works cited, should be centered in the page. on the page. It's works cited with no bold, no underline, no special characterization, just the same type style that I had been using. So there you go. There's the format for the works cited entry for a source that I found on the internet. Thanks.